here is the packing list of the interactive wall projection game. And there is a HDMI cables and one interactive box. This is the adapter plug. It's for the laser sensor. Here is the laser sensor, and one power supply cable for the interactive box, and two ceiling mount. One is for the interactive box and one is for the projector, and one set of keyboard and mouse, and the last one is the projector. Now I will show you how to connect the cables. First, for the interactive box, you need to connect the power supply cable here. Another side connect with the socket. And one side of the HDMI cable need to connect with the interactive box, this one, and another side need to connect with the projector here. And the projector also need a power supply cable here, connect with the socket. And about the laser sensor, you can put it on the upper right corner or on the upper left corner of the projection area. Please pay attention, the distance between the laser sensor and the projection screen is about 10 centimeters. And you can fix the laser sensor with the screw. Here, there is two holes. Please pay attention, after install the laser sensor, you need to make sure the laser can cover the projection screen. Like here. When you install the interactive box, you need to make sure this side there is a camera. This side need to fix with the projection area, like this. Here are two remote controllers. This small one is for the interactive box. You can press this button to turn on or turn off. And this is the controller of the projector. You can press this button. This two button is for lens shift. For example, if you want to make the screen higher or lower, you can adjust this button. If you want to make the screen move to left or right, you can adjust this button. After you open the projector and the interactive box, it will automatically enter the game like this. You can press F5, this button. Then you can choose the games. Here is the game list, and here is the game order you have chosen. And you can also change the playing time of single games. And then you can save the setting. Also, you can press this button, ESC. Then you can turn to the desktop here. And we have two desks and Sunflower. This two app is for remote control. These two. And here is the game.